Again, disclaimer, I am not a professional, gym instructor. These movements are those which I seem good for me, okay? So if you want to have a session like this with me, we can partner with that. Comment there, or in our other videos, we can schedule. You can also teach me how. Instructors are welcome here, okay? Teach me how, and we can, coordinate, collaborate, team up with some exercises, especially for mothers, okay? And working females of our society. Oh, this one is good as well. Look, some of my joints are moving, or a little bit sounding. Hi, Rajesh Kumar. Good, thank you. Shout out to our commenters and viewers. Where are the others? So we'll also use this. So if you have subscribed, you can also see how we use this one. The bike. What do you call that one? Call it bike. Okay. So just enough because it's so painful. Ay, sorry. Nasagot ko. Wait lang guys, ha? Our next session is walking. Gusto ko sana po nina makichika. Kasi yung dating pastor namin,
Sino?
nakasuhan.
Nagkasuhan ang